We are walking at the forefront of the 3D printing industry, thinking about how to broaden the boundaries of the industry. We are riding at the top waves of the industry. We are picturing about the future at the mountain of height, creating a more prosperous prospect of industrial ecosystem. We nurtured from the wave of science and technology fusion in 2014 and witnessed the emergence and growth of 3D printing industry, analyzed it, restructured it, and created our own pattern. From the first 3D printer we've ever made to the largest manufacturer of consumer-grade 3D printer. From the emerging enterprise centered on development as a new startup to the leader of the top industry ecosystem. We have never stopped our steps of pursuit and thinking of the industry development. We lit up our resolve of innovative creation and explored the future of the industry development through pieces of blueprints and breakup of the external suspect. We set alight a shimmer to brighten the darkness. Via the production of units of printers, we broadened the boundaries of industry and realized our expected freedom by the breakdown of chains. We've always been at the cutting edge of the industry to break through industrial boundaries and lit up the world with the brightness of 3D printing. Shouldered with the responsibility, we strive for innovative and exploration. Boasting an advanced and large-scale R&D center, we created the global phenomenal products by persistent efforts. We break the old stereotype using our progressive production philosophy and ensure the quality of products from the source by combining the modern production line with rigorous quality inspection system. Through digging hard in the industrial subdivisions, we embrace more complete product range and provide more efficient and cost-effective 3D printing solution by covering two major series of FDM and resin 3D printing products. Using excellent customer service, we win the reputation of industrial users, which ranging from the world. Besides, we also maintain a cooperation with the domestic and overseas renowned enterprises, colleges and institutions. And we mark the sailing navigation for the followers with our focus of breaking down the dull routines. We spring at the tip of industry cutting edge and at the standard of the industry to astonish the era with the height of 3D printing. Time flows and our industry progresses. Footed at the current, we're always targeting at the future. Bearing the responsibility of industry development, we always advocate industrial contests and implement the technological innovation. And we promote the industry development and present the enchantment of 3D printing through establishing the one center and two wings new pattern of Creality. No matter exploration, optimization, or the iteration of the industry are all generated for the virtuous cycle of industry development. We are not only the evangelist of 3D printing, but also part of the society. Hence, we devote ourselves actively in educational assistance and deliver knowledge and hope to the next generation. Give a helping hand to fight the pandemic and assist in the domestic and overseas contracted area, which delivering our responsibility and boldness. Viewing from the top of the industry summit, we are building a 3D printing world and depicting its future. Road always extends after another road, and numerous space always exists beyond limited boundaries. Standard tens be no tops, always stretched its borders like endless ocean. When we arrive at the peak, we'll see the Empyrean, but there's still more distant shot. Creality. Create a 3D industry future.